Okay, hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to enter the scores into the template. So let's start with the first term. So we'll go to the first term scores input. That's where you're going to input the scores data. So here, this is the interface for where you can enter the data, scores data. These are changeable. You can actually change this, and then the overall score can be changed as well. So once you change this, if this does not, it's not your school's reality, you can change that. Maybe this is 15. So it's going to update for the remaining subjects. If you only offer 2 tests, you can do that, or 2020. So whatever is the reality in your school, and to update itself. So I want to leave it. Usually, to make it easier for data entry, you can just make only one T, so you don't have to enter too much data. So this is also possible. If you just the overall score, you can enter it, and that will work as well. It all depends on the final report, because in the final report for this template, it's only the total cumulative CA that is featured. So alright, let's do 10, 20, and 10. So you can enter data directly in here for each student, for per subject. So let's say there's a score of 8 here, second test 18, 7, and an exam 41. So you can keep entering the data until you're done with each subject for all the students in the school. So that's the first way you can enter data into the template. The second way is to export this data sheet, so that it will help to create a lighter template that can now be used in other digital devices. Now this template is quite heavy. It will not work on your phone, only on the system. But for you to be able to use the phone, you can use, we are going to use another method of data entry. So go to this yellow colored cell. We are going to choose the first option, which is export score sheet. So this is one of the other method where you can enter data. So once we click on that and we click on execute, what it's going to do is going to ask us where we want to save our report. I'm going to save it here and click OK. We'll wait for it. Okay, the template is completed. So what we can do, we're going to go to that page where the report was saved. So here we have our score sheet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this. So this is the template now. So this is the external template. You can now, this is lighter. As you can see, the file size was about 51 kilobytes. So your phone can open this. So with Google Sheets, you can use this template on your phone. Once you copy this from your system to the phone, so you can share. In fact, you can share this to teachers for the teacher for that class, and then with their phone they can always enter the data wherever they are. So this also behaves similarly to the main template. It's just that it only has the score sheet, so it doesn't carry the other all other notes on the template with it. So with this, you can fill it up and then enter the data into the main Checkmate file. So let me quickly fill up data here, and then we're going to import it back into the main template, and let me show you how to do that. So I have taken time to enter some data, so I'm going to save this file, enter this course data. I've saved the file, Ctrl S, and I'll close this. So what I can do to import that file back into my template, I'm going to change this to import score sheet and click on execute. Of course, it's going to ask me to unlock, not to allow unauthorized access. Ask me where the sheet is. So I'll give it time. It's going to import that sheet, entire sheet, into my template. So that's import success. So it has imported the external sheet into this template. Another way we can enter data is by using the export subject sheets template. So to do that, let's go to second term. I've already filled data here. So I'm going to select export subject sheet and click on execute. Save it at the report page, report folder, and allow it to generate. I'm doing it in second time because I've already filled data in the first time. So you can use either method. So the difference between this, the score sheet will export the entire subject sheet, while the entire sheet comprising of all the subjects, while the subject sheet will only export only one sheet at a time. So let's see how it looks like. So this is complete. So we'll go to the report folder. So the subject sheet is here. So if I open it, you can see instead of having all the subject, it has only one subject sheet here. So what you should do is to rename, make copies for all of the subjects you wish to use this on for. So let's say I want to use this for Greek. I want to use this for basic science. I want to use the next one for technology. Let's see. Let's say I want to use the other one for biochemistry. So you can see how this works. So for the Greek sheet, I'll open it. That's already in Greek. That's already Greek. Basic science. I'll have to change this to basic science and save. So this way you can have the subject sheet for all of the subjects that has been offered in the class. And also as well, this is also very light, it's much more lighter than the score sheet. It also can work on your phone, so you can enter all the data for each of the subjects here, and once you are done you can upload into the main folder, into the main template. So let me fill in some data here like I did before. So I've filled in the data for basic science, so let me also do the same for other subjects. So okay, I have taken my time to fill in some of the subject sheets, individual subject sheets. So I'm going to now import them into the main template. So I can close all of this. I'm at the main interface, and what I can do here, just like before, but this time around we are going to choose import subject sheet. And before then, you're going to have to take note of the column letter where the subject you are about to enter is. For Greek science, the column letters are the ones here in the purple in this region. The column letter for Greek science is C. That for basic science is I O U I O. And then for chemistry, where's chemistry? Chemistry is DA. The reason why you have to put it down is because once you set the instruction rolling, you will not be able to scroll the Excel interface to find the letter. So it's better you take note of the letter before you start. So now once we hit on import subject sheet and you click on execute, as before, to prevent unauthorized importation of just any score, which subject column. So the first one, we want to start from C. You can start with any one, doesn't matter. And that's C is for Greek science, so we are looking for it under Greek. Import Greek. Yes, I want to add more. The next one is going to be in I. Click on OK, and that's basic science. Click OK. The next one will be, yes, I want to add more O, and it is basic technology. This was an error. I'm going to correct that. The next one is basic technology. That's O. I hope I've not done O before. Basic tech. Yes. Doesn't matter if you do it more than once. Yes. DA, and that is for chemistry. You get the point. It's going to ask me if I want to, so this time I choose no, so it will complete the process. So if you add up to the entire subject, maybe the total 16 or 18 subjects, but this is how you're going to import the scores one by one. So it has imported the score sheets for me, so it's only imported the exact sheets that I indicated. So you can see it has done chemistry here, and has done all others for me as well. So that's how to use the import subjects and import score sheets. So thank you for watching.